Today, we'll be looking at how to create a tutor account on the Edutab Learning Platform, the features of the platform, and how to navigate the platform as a tutor. To open an account as a tutor, you enter the Edutab Learning Platform interface via the app. Click on Get Started. As a new tutor to the platform, click on Create Parent Account. This leads you to two options. Click and select the teacher option. Then input your name, your email address, and a very strong password. Go ahead and select the required permission. Then click on Create Teacher Account. When that is done, you will receive a success message. Click on Continue. Do well to select all subjects that you can teach. When that is done, go ahead to input the professional bio. Tell us about your teaching experience, philosophy, and approach. Furthermore, you can include your certifications as a teacher. You can type them in. Then select the Safeguarding Policy Agreement. Also select the box, Agreements with Terms of Service. Then click on Complete Registration. When that is done, you will also receive a success message telling you your teacher profile has been submitted for verification. You can then proceed to the dashboard. On approval of your tutor account, please proceed to log in to your dashboard, enter your registered email address and your chosen password, and click on Login. You will then be directed to your tutor dashboard. On your tutor dashboard, you can see the number of students you teach, the number of live sessions you have taken as a tutor, and the amount earned over the period of classes or live sessions taken. You will also see the option to create courses. Also, you can view the courses you have created. To create courses, click on Create Course. Then, you click on Course Thumbnail, which should be the logo of Edutab Consult. Then, you can also upload the video of the day for the course content. Then, include the course content title and description of the content. You can also choose or select the subjects and the age range of your class. When this is done, you can submit for review. Content will be reviewed by our quality assurance team and then approved, or request will be made for clarification before final approval. Furthermore, you can click and check the content under your dashboard. You can see the total courses. You can see those that have been published, those that are under review, and those that have not been submitted for review. You can also see how well your courses are doing and how popular they are. Under the Worksheets hub, you can see the worksheets you have created. You can see the submissions made by your students, those that have been graded, those that have not been graded. You can also create new worksheets, and you can assign already published worksheets given to students in your class. You can also schedule classes by going to the schedule. How? Click on the date of the session and click on Schedule Session. Under the Schedule Session, you can click on the student you want to schedule the class with. You can give it a schedule title. Choose the date. Choose the time and duration, then click on Schedule Session. Under the feedback, you can see feedbacks given by students on your courses.